it's Deloise and I'm back. I have found another hack to make my life easier and I'm going to share it with you. Maybe you might have a use for it in your life. Ever since my heart surgery, I've had to really change the way I do barn chores around the farm. So one of the barn chores we all have is cleaning water troughs and cleaning buckets. I know it doesn't seem like, you know, something I should have to change, but I do. So I was on YouTube the other day and I found this little trick using a drill and I thought, oh, that could be really useful. I was in Bed Bath & Beyond today and this company has a soap dispenser where you just kind of plug it in and put soap in the top and it comes out these little bristles and, you know, clean dishes. I'm not domestic, so I actually don't have one. I'm just kidding. I mean, I have a dishwasher. But okay. So anyway, these looked really interesting. The reason I like them is because there's actually a hole already in the center where the soap is supposed to come out, and I can put a bolt. So I found a bolt, and the bolt is important. The threads have to go all the way up to the top, and I have this nut. I believe it's 1/2 inch because this 1/2 inch wrench actually turns it. So anyway, pretty sure it's 1/2 inch. So I shoved the bolts into one of the dispensers, and the nut all the way to the top. You can see the nut. You have to make sure that's really tight so it doesn't separate from the bristles. I'm going to take that and take my drill. Get in there nice and snug. And I have a water trough cleaner, and I don't have to work that hard now to clean my water troughs or my buckets or whatever. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay guys, so I'm out here with my water trough and I'm about to put this to the test. So I have my brush, I have my drill, and I think it's important to remember not to have too much water in your water trough. If you're just cleaning it out, you just have like 1 inch of water down at the bottom because you don't want your drill to get wet. You also don't want to drop your drill in the water trough. It wouldn't be good for it. So let's see if it actually works. It's actually cleaning much faster and easier than the regular brushes that we used to use, you know, the black ones with the yellow bristles on the end. This is way faster and way easier on me. Thanks for watching the video today, guys. I had a lot of fun putting it together. I already had a 1/2 inch bolt with a nut, so it made my life a little bit easier. If you don't though, they're really cheap at the hardware store. The whole hack is under $5 for sure. Anywhere that they sell OXO products, you should be able to find the soap dispensing palm brush. And then again, put it together, attach it to your drill, and you have a very easy way of cleaning water troughs. I have to make my life a little bit easier from now on, so I'm just sharing what I learned and hope that you can use it too. I'm going to come up with some other ideas for equestrians and farm owners, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.